Hello guys, welcome to episode 2 of our series on serverless AWS Lambda with MongoDB. In this episode, we are driving into setting up MongoDB Atlas for free and connecting it to MongoDB Compass by the end of the episode. You will have a fully functional MongoDB database in the cloud, and you will know how to manage it using MongoDB Compass. Let's get started with the step-by-step process of creating your MongoDB Atlas cluster and stabilizing smooth connection. So let's go to browser first. So open new tab and search for MongoDB and enter and click on the second link. Then click on try Atlas for free. Select first option and copy this, or you can use your own email, or you can use sign up with Google. Here I will type my own Asif Khan, and this is the and email will be this template, and I will give some test password 1 2 3 4 password. Okay, and create Atlas. Now let's wait. Yeah, you will receive your email now. So we have received email successfully, and I'll click on this and verify email. So continue. I will copy this email again. Okay, run MongoDB 1 to 6 months. Let us take JavaScript and Node.js. Serverless function and microservice. You can use anything. Okay, then finish it. Click on finish button. Yeah, we have successfully created our MongoDB. Let's go to okay. So here it has directly redirect me to this page. Okay, so I will select AWS here. It has directly whenever you will register first time, it will redirect to this page. So M0 free tier I will use. It will give 512 MB storage for free. Then cluster name, you can give any cluster name. Like cluster 0 I will give, and Mumbai AP South one I will take. Okay, and create and deployment. Okay, let us wait till our deployment will be created. So some username and password it has given to us. So let us copy it and save it in somewhere. Okay, I will open Notepad. Okay, I have pasted this password. So user. Okay, create a database user. Choose connection method. Oh, okay. Before that, what you need to do first? just go to database access. You can see that if you want to create a more users, you can create from here by clicking on this. Just you have to give any username like 823111581, and here you can give password. Suppose 1234567 8. Okay, I've given like this. Or you can generate or auto generate also. Add user. Okay. Okay, I'll give to him Atlas admin access. Password provided to week. Okay, so let us give here any good password or auto generate we can give. Okay, so password. I will copy the password for this also. Okay, I'll go run here and just paste it. Next, remove this. Ever. Okay, so in that way you can create a user. Go to network access. Add here API and allow access from anywhere. For now, I will take. Okay, so confirm. It will take some time. Okay, till that time, I will go to overview. Okay, so if I will click on connect here, go back, connect Compass, and it is saying to download the Compass. Okay, so by clicking on this, by first you have to select the which machine you are using. Like I was using Windows, so MSI or any version you can use. Better to use this. Just click on this and download it, or else you can directly go to uh, Mongo Compass download. Mongo Compass download. Okay, hit enter. Click on this and come down. You can select from here which version you want to, for which machine you want to download. Okay, I have selected MongoDB and type will be MSI and click on download. Okay, yeah. After downloading, let it be download. Yeah, it has downloaded successfully. Click on this. Just click on next by doing default settings. After that, you can click on finish. Okay, just click on finish and open Mongo Compass. Okay, so this is my Mongo Compass. Click on connection. So we need connection. So just copy this link and go to Compass, paste it here, and replace this with your password. Okay, so I'll take that password from here, copy it, and paste it. Okay, now connect. Click on connect. So you can see we have successfully connected to our cluster. From here you can create any collection or database name. Just give database name as serverless. Any collection name like you can give to. Yeah. It has created successfully. You can embed and you can add the data. So thank you for watching this episode, guys. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe to Dev Dynamic and share it with your friends and colleagues to help them understand these powerful technologies too. Stay tuned for more content and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications.